Probably some of the best skim in Malibu I've ever had.
What? Oh my god. We just walked up and Weber got a smoke. That was the best skim wave I've ever seen here.
Oh. Every wave is just an awe-inspiring moment. This is sweet. Good morning.
He's back.
I'm back.
Sorry, surfers. Oh. Go, go, go. Yes, that guy's a legend! A little treat for you today. Day 2, skimming Malibu. Got our friends, 2 Dewey Beach, Delaware friends, Johnny Weber and Skylar Wilson, coming down to join us at Topanga. I think the plan for today is do some running and gunning with the Osmo Action 4. Pretty much the only thing I use for POV skimboarding and any of the follow cam shots that we use with the pole. We're gonna give you a brief little tutorial on the settings we use to shoot the POV shots. So we've been using 4K, 60 frames per second with the ultra wide field of view. Anything you see on Instagram is shot vertically. So you can just click it in there with that very convenient magnetic clamping mount. For everything you saw today, we're gonna be shooting like this. So super easy to switch from Instagram mode to vlog mode. And what's also really nice is when we shoot ultra wide, it's stabilized. So all the running clips and riding the waves should be a lot less bouncy. The plan is to give Skylar this pole, which we're gonna shoot a little bit different of settings on. So for the pole, we're gonna shoot 4K 120 frames per second with just a wide field of view. The wide field of view allows us to do the rock steady plus image stabilization, so makes our follow cam shots even more stable, gives it a little bit more of a gimbal effect. And when you're chasing after someone, it's gonna be pretty shaky when you're running with this thing. So that rock steady plus image stabilization is really gonna help to smooth out the shots. So that's what we've been using to shoot anything involving getting wet with a camera. This is our go-to.
Yes, we're out there again. I don't know where Weber is, but I think it's a little smaller today than yesterday. It's so high tide, all the surfers got out. Morning. Got the Woody. Brought it back for you. Oh, it's gonna be all time.
Am I running or am I sitting?
I feel like maybe run with how close it is to the shore.
All right, here we go.
Maybe you should just roll up your pants.
Okay.
Straight out of Instagram mode. Straight into vlog mode. Just like that. We're gonna shoot 4K ultra wide, so you get the feet, the board, the barrel, and we're gonna have just a grand old time out there.
Look at this.
This is messed up. This is actually the best. Oh my God! I left you in the dust on that one.
I did not stand a chance.
Gone.
That
Two,
was
3
sick.
shoves going
I
like
saw.
15 miles an hour.
Look, she's mind blown.
That was the biggest gift. Today's my birthday, and I loved it.
Yeah.
It's just awesome.
Well, happy birthday.
It was just beautiful.
That was definitely one of my best waves ever.
It's outstanding.
Pretty cool, right?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, happy birthday. What are we shooting with on this guy?
We
Oh,
got.
it says on the front.
Oh, whoa.
actually. You're shooting a little different settings than me because you're doing follow cams. So you're ultra stable, 120 frames per second, and only wide instead of I'm on ultra wide. So
Rock steady plus.
yep, that's where it looks like the gimbal for the chases. It's perfect for the sprinting behind. Go, go, go. Oh. Yes. It's so funny how a wave this big can just change your day. How epic is that?
Oh, Webb with the Christmas hat. Christmas came early.
Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho.
Are you skimming?
We're shredding the Nard today, folks.
Wow, it looks pretty good still.
Wait.
Whoa! Whoa! Showing off.
Really put it on a show.
Sick. You want to try doubles on this one, Weber?
You try. You want to go in the front or the back?
Back, if I could. Yeah.
There you go.
No!
Santa's hanging up his hat.
And I'm hanging up the hat. Let it dry out.
It's time to put on the wetsuit. Oh, Webb! Oh. Hometown hero. Free shove? Alley-oop! Sick.
I don't know if I'm gonna get another one like that.
Yeah, you will. Oh, whoa. I'm gonna kick you later.
There's some mines out here. Full landmines. Toe exploders. We're burning them. Paul Carey stretch 5. Oh! Oh no!
Goodbye. 0 miles.
0 miles, completely empty.
You should have gotten closer. I could have drafted.
This is gnarly. I'm gonna die right here and then just coast in.
And then we're